Welcome students. So myself Mehboob Pasha, and today in this session we will continue with the topic that is playing with numbers. Okay. So in this session we will be solving problems related to exercise 1.2. In previous classes we have solved the problems related to exercise 1.1. Okay. So let us look at the first problem. If 2, 1, y5 is a multiple of 9. Okay, if 2, 1, y5 is a multiple of 9, where y is a digit. Where y is a digit means y is a only one digit. Where y is a digit, what is the value of y? So here what they have asked, they are telling that this 21 y5 is a multiple of 9. If it is a multiple of 9, then what must be the value of y? Okay. So in divisibility rules, you might have studied that if a number is a multiple of 9, okay, if a number is a multiple of 9, then sum of its digit must be a multiple of 9, or sum of its digit must be 9. So let us take an example. Okay. So here 243. How we come to know that this number 243 is divisible by 9, or how we come to know that this number 243 is a multiple of 9? So let us do it. Okay, so 2 plus 4 plus 3. What is this? 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. Okay, see here, the sum of these digits is 9, no? The sum of these digits is 9, no? So therefore, this 243 is a multiple of 9. We can say 243 is a multiple of 9, or we can say that 243 is divisible by 9. Okay, so here also they are telling that this is a multiple of 9. Then what must be the value of y? So let us do this. So 21 y 5. They are telling that this is a multiple of 9, no? If this is a multiple of 9 means the sum of all digits must be equal to what? 9. Okay. The sum of all digits, that is 2 plus 1 plus 5 plus 5, y plus 5 must be equal to 9. If it is a multiple of 9 means the sum of these digits must be equal to 9. Okay. So here 2 plus 1 plus y plus 5 is equals to 9. So 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 5, 8. So here 8 plus y is equals to 9. So now 8 plus y is equals to what? 9. So you send this 8 there, it will become minus 8. Okay, when you send plus 8 there, it will become minus 8. So 9 minus 8 will be what? Okay, so what is y? 9 minus 8 is what? 1. Okay, so 9 minus 8 is 1. Therefore, what is the value of y here? The value of y is what? 1. Okay, so what is the digit? Therefore, the digit is 2, 1, 1, 5. Okay, so this is a digit. Understood? Let us do second problem. Okay, so here if 31z5 is a multiple of 9. Okay, if 31z5 is a multiple of 9, where z is a digit. Where z is a digit means z represents only one single digit. Where z is a digit, what is the value of z? So now again it's the same problem compared to previous one. So here what they are telling that 31z5 is a multiple of 9. 31z5 is a multiple of 9. Then what must be the value of z? Okay. So what they are telling? They are telling that this number is a multiple of 9. As I told you, if a number is a multiple of 9, then the sum of its digit must be a multiple of 9, or the sum of its digit must be 9. Okay, so let's try. If a number is a multiple of 9, then the sum of its digit must be a multiple of 9. Okay, if a number is a multiple of 9, then the sum of its digit must be a multiple of 9, or the sum of its digit must be equal to 9. So let us see here. 3, 1. This is a multiple of 9 now. So this must be equal to 9. Okay, so here 3 plus 1 now 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 5 9. at here. If this is a multiple of 9, the sum of these digits must be equal to 9. So here 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5. So here, sorry, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 5 9. So what we have got? We have got 9 plus z. So this must be equal to 9. Okay, this must be equal to 9. So look at here, we have got 9 already. Okay, we have got 9 already. So how we can make this term will be equal to 9? How we can make this term will be equal to 9? If we take, okay, if we take z is equals to 0, if we take z is equals to 0, that is 9 plus 0 is equals to 9, that is 9 is equals to 9. LHS is equals to RHS. Okay, so here this number is a multiple of 9 when the value of z is what? 0. Okay, if z is 0, okay, if z is 0, then 31z5. Okay, if z is 0, then 31z5 is a multiple of 9. Okay, so when z is 0, then it is a multiple of 9. Therefore, the digit is what? The digit is what? Okay. So here, therefore, the digit is 3105. Therefore, the digit is 3105. That is 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 0 4, 4 plus 5 9. Okay. So here, what is the value of z? The value of z is what? 0. Look at here. Here we have got the value of z as 0, no? So not only here we can get two values of z. Two values of z. Why it is so? I will tell you. Okay. So here, as we put z is equals to 0, we are getting 9 is equals to 9. Okay. If you put z is equals to 9, if we put z is equals to 9, then we can write 9 plus 9. Okay, we can write 9 plus 9 is equals to 9. That is 9 plus 9, 18 is equals to 9. That is 1 plus 8, 9 is equals to 9. Okay, so here LHS is equals to RHS. This condition also satisfies when Z is equals to 9. Okay, so here this term, this digit, that is 31Z5, is also a multiple of 9 when the value of Z is what? 9. Okay, so here therefore the digit is 3195. Okay, the digit is 3195. So here there are two values of Z. That is, okay, so that is Z is equals to 0 and Z is equals to 9. Now let us solve third question. Okay, if 24x is a multiple of 3, where x is a digit, what is the value of x? So what they have asked, 24x is a multiple of 3. Okay, if it is a multiple of 3, then what will be the value of x? Okay, so here, as this is a multiple of 3, the sum of this digit, this digit also must also be a multiple of 3. Okay, so what are the multiples of 3? You might have learned in basics. That is, the multiples of 3 are, okay, multiples of 3. That is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, so on. Okay, so these are the multiples of 3. So if this is a multiple of 3, then the sum of this digit must be equal to any of the multiples here. Okay, so if this is a multiple of 3, then sum of these digits must be equal to any of these multiples. Okay, so let us try. So here
2 plus 4 plus x.
6 plus x. So this 6 plus x, okay, this 6 plus x must be equal to any of these multiples. 6 plus x must be equal to any of these multiples. Look at here. This 6 plus x cannot be equal to 3. Okay. This 6 plus x cannot be equal to 3. Why? Because we are having the digit greater than 6 here itself. And this 6 plus x, okay, this 6 plus x will be equal to 6. This 6 plus x will be equal to 6 if x is equals to 0. Okay, if x is equals to 0. So here, okay, this 6 plus x will be equals to 6 if x is equals to 0. Again, let us see the second multiple. Okay, so what is the second multiple here? 9. This 6 plus x will be equals to 9. This 6 plus x will be equals to 9 if okay, so if x is equals to 3. This 6 plus x will be equals to 9 if x is equals to 3. That is 6 plus 3, 9 plus 9. Okay, again this 6 plus x, we look at other multiple. Okay, what is other multiple? 12. This 6 plus x will be equals to 12. This 6 plus x will be equals to 12 if x is equals to 6. Okay, if x is equals to 6, this 6 plus x will be a multiple of 12. Now, so we'll see just another multiple. Okay, so here what is there? 15 is there. 15 is there. So this, look at here. This 6 plus x will be equal to 15. Why we are equating this with the 6, 9, 12, 15? Why we are equating 6 plus x to these numbers? Why? Because they are told that this is a multiple of 3. Okay, as these are the multiples of 3, so we are equating 6 plus x with the 6, 9, 12, 15. Okay, so here this 6 plus x will be equals to 15 if x is equals to 9. Okay, so if x is equals to 9, then 6 plus x, 6, if x is equals to 9, then 6 plus 9 will be equals to 15. That is 6 plus x will be equals to 15. So here, what are the possible values of x? Okay, so here, see, when this digit will become multiple of x, when this digit will become multiple of x, when we add 0, 6 and 9. Okay, so when we add 0, 3, 6 and 9, then this digit will become multiple of x. Okay, so therefore the value of x are 0, 3, 6 and 9. Okay, so therefore the values of x are 0, 3, 6 and 9. Now let us solve fourth question. So here what we are given, 31z5 is a multiple of 3. So if this is a multiple of 3 means the sum of these digits must be a multiple of 3. So there are the multiples of 3. Okay, so 3 plus 1 plus z plus 5. What is this? 4 plus 5, 9. Okay, now this 9 plus z cannot be equal to 3. Why? Because we are having 9 as greater digit. Again, this 9 plus z cannot be equal to 6. Why? Because we are having 9 as greater digit. But this 9 plus z will be equals to 9. This 9 plus z will be equals to 9 if z is equals to 0. Okay, so this will be equals to 9 if z is equals to 0. Again, this 9 plus z will be equals to 12 if z is equals to 3. If z is equals to 3, this will be equals to 12. Again, this 9 plus z will be equals to 15. This 9 plus z will be equals to 15 if z is equals to 6. Okay. Next, again, this 9 plus z will be equals to 18 this 9 plus z will be equals to 18 if z is equals to 9. If z is equals to 9, this 9 plus z will become 18. Okay. So here, what are the possible values of z? The possible values of z are 0, 3, 6 and 9. Okay. So x, what is z is equals to, therefore z is equals to 0, 3, 6, 9. So these are the possible values of z. Okay, so this completes the first chapter, that is playing with numbers. So let us discuss new chapter in the next session.